How to fix an iPhone speaker is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone speaker is not working or you cannot hear the sound, here are the troubleshooting steps that should help. First and foremost, ensure the ringer volume is up. In order to do so, tap on the volume button and slide it to the maximum. Next up, check for the mute switch. It is located on the side of the phone. If it is turned on, you will see ring option. If it is turned off, you will see an orange light with silent option shown. Make sure it is not on silent. Second, you need to check for do not disturb or focus settings. For this, scroll down the control center and tap on focus. Make sure all of such options are turned off. This can silence your notifications. After this, sometimes a quick restart can also clear the software glitches. So for this, just tap on the volume, the side button, or just hold the power button depending on your model. For the next step, head over to the device settings. After that, go to the general section. Once you tap on general, go for the software updates. If there are any pending updates, make sure to tap on it. For the next option, scroll down and you will see the option for transfer and reset data. This way it won't delete your data but reset the system settings. So tap on reset and tap on reset all settings. This way all of your audio settings will be resetted and you are good to go. However, if this does not work and if hardware seems at fault, especially after iPhone is out of warranty, in that case you have to consult Apple support channels or visit authorized service center for the further troubleshooting. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.